Students write a number sentence for a given number line in this activity. Let's take card number 7. I see 3 jumps. Each jump is across 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, the first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, the second jump lands on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, the third jump lands on 12. So each jump is across 4 numbers. The number 4, because I'm counting by 4s, so 4, 8, 12. So the number 4 lands on 12 when it makes 3 jumps. 3 jumps times 4 equals to 12. Let's get another card. Card number 31. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. Each jump is across 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So across 2 numbers. Each time it is 2 numbers. So the number 2 lands on 14 when it makes 7 jumps. My number sentence is 7 jumps times 2 numbers is 14. Let's see. Here is the teacher exemplar that sets expectations, directions, helps students work independently on this activity, and then answers provide immediate feedback.